The best and most tried and true way to lose weight is simply to become educated on it. Once you understand nutrition, you will have opened the Pandora's box of fitness secrets. If you eat a nutritious diet of whole, unprocessed foods and meet your macro and micronutrient goals every day, in addition to exercising consistently and reaching caloric requirements, you will find that there are no tricks, it's just simple dedication. In this video let us talk about the easy ways to trim down that excess weight. Anything worth having is never easy. But when it comes to weight loss, having some good information makes the journey a whole lot easier. Use the tips, tricks, and advice offered in this video to help you avoid some of the stumbling blocks that dieters inevitably face along the way. Share your goals. Tell your family, friends, and even your social media buddies about your fitness and weight loss goals. The more people you tell, the more accountable you will need to be to stick with the goals. With so many people watching and pulling for you, you'll be more likely to achieve your goals. A great weight loss tip that everyone should use is to get a hobby that you can do whenever you are bored. Boredom and restlessness often cause us to head to the kitchen even when we are not hungry. Avoid unneeded trips to the kitchen by keeping yourself occupied with other things. Don't be fooled that all chicken has less fat than other meat. It's not the animal that matters, it's where the meat comes from on that animal. Every animal has areas where it stores more fat, even chicken. Dark chicken meat contains fatter than beef rump roast, or top round, and twice the fat of pork tenderloin. The best part of the chicken to eat is the breast meat, with the skin removed. Even better, eat turkey breast, as it has fewer calories. One weight loss tip that people often overlook is to create realistic weight loss goals. If your goals are too ambitious, or the time you have given yourself is too short, you are much more likely to abandon your efforts when you do not get the results you want. Who doesn't like it? It's the sugary, delicious sweet part of the fruit. However, people interested in losing weight might want to cut out the juice. Although derived from natural fruits, most juices have no fiber and little to offer nutritionally, in the way of vitamins, except for the high levels of vitamin C, found in orange juice. Tomato and V8 juice fare somewhat better, and are very low calorie to boot, but both are loaded with salt. So if you want to lose weight, either skip your morning juice in favor of morning tea, or coffee, or choose one of the reduced calorie healthy choices juices, now on the market. You'll still get that sweet tart taste without all the calories. All fats are not bad. You need fat to survive. There are good and bad fats. Though in knowing which ones to eat, and to avoid can help with making better diet choices. Try to avoid or minimize intake of saturated and trans fats. Try to eat more good fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. One way to help yourself lose weight is to eat sugar. What I mean is to avoid sugar substitutes. Fake sugar can cause real cravings for sweet things, and too many of those can cause weight gain, or just curb your weight loss. Some sugar substitutes can also have nasty side effects. So go ahead, eat your sugar, just do it in moderation. Set realistic goals on your way to your big goal. Slow and steady always wins the race. Set small goals that are easily obtainable. Losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks isn't possible without some serious risks to your health. The smaller the goal, the healthier it usually is, and having small successes more frequently is great motivation. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and use the information you learned here to start your weight loss journey, armed and raring to go. Knowing is half the battle, and now that you know what you should and should not do, you are better equipped to get your weight under control once and for all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave comments and hit the bell icon for another exciting and informative videos. See you to our next videos.